The 2009 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tow hitch, traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.